If your channel is sitting at 31 views, growing slower than dial-up internet, and you are a little embarrassed to admit you still make YouTube videos, this is for you. Because your channel may not be stuck. It may be early. There is a difference. A lot of creators think success shows up with fireworks, confetti, and YouTube calling them personally to apologize for the delay. It usually does not work like that. Real momentum starts quiet. Today, I am breaking down 4 signs your small channel may be building something real, and why quitting too soon is the one move that guarantees it never gets there. Sign number 1, your low views have a pattern. 30 views, 40 views, 50 views. I know, nobody throws a parade for 43 views. But there is a big difference between random numbers. 300, then 12, then 50, and a steady pattern like 42, 47, 51, and 55. One is chaos. The other is information. If several videos bring in a similar number of viewers, YouTube is learning who might care about your work. Your title is making a promise. Your thumbnail is getting somebody to click. Your topic is reaching the same kind of person more than once. That is not failure. That is evidence. Look at your last 5 uploads. Find the topic that keeps bringing in the same kind of viewer. Then make the next chapter of that topic. Do not throw another Hail Mary every week. Build a lane. Trend gets attention. Evergreen content builds an asset. Sign number 2. One video keeps clocking in. Maybe it did not go viral in the first 24 hours. Maybe it did not explode at all. But 2 weeks later, it is still getting views, still getting comments, still bringing in subscribers. That video has a job, and it keeps showing up for work. Study it. Where are viewers finding it? What question did it answer? What promise did the title make? What part of the video made people stay? Then go one level deeper. Do not remake the same video with a new hat and call it strategy. Make a follow-up. Make a playlist. Make a short that points back to it. Give people another reason to stay in that lane with you. Slow burn first. Breakthrough second. Sign number 3. People start returning for you. When somebody comments, "I needed this," or "Your words helped me," they are not just reacting to information. They are reacting to your point of view, your delivery, your energy, your way of making sense of something. That is trust. 1,000 people who do not care are just a crowd walking past. A smaller group that comes back, comments, and listens, that is an audience, and that is valuable. Do not wait for 10,000 subscribers before you start acting like your work has value. Build the foundation now. Make a clean channel banner. Put a business email where people can find it. Keep a simple 1-page media kit with your best videos, your audience, and what you make. Save screenshots of good comments, watch time, retention, and results. You do not need to email a brand saying, "Yo, sponsor me." That is digital panhandling with a business card. You need proof, relevance, and a clear offer. When the right opportunity comes, you want to be ready, not scrambling around looking for your shoes while the door is already open. Sign number 4, you are tired, but you are still here. I am not going to call burnout a badge. Rest is real. Take it. But if you are tired because you have been writing scripts, studying thumbnails, fixing edits, learning titles, and staring at retention graphs like they owe you money, you have been doing the work. Most creators do not quit because they ran out of talent. They quit because the invisible phase gets loud in their head. Low views are not a verdict, they are feedback. The durable creator learns, rests, adjusts, and uploads again. Your next win may not be viral. It may be 10 more views, one real comment, a better thumbnail, a stronger title, one person saying, "I am glad I found your channel." Those are bricks. You are building somewhere nobody can clap yet. Keep posting. Not perfectly. Not like a robot. Better. Build assets, not just uploads. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. You did not know? You better go ask somebody. This is Flea Nasty, and I will see you in the next one.
Like, subscribe, share, comments. Enjoying? Sign up for the membership or business email.